Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to discussing with you full outer join concept. What is full outer join? The full outer join keyword, which is using to combining two tables, that is called table 1 and table 2. It's not in a particularly limited to two tables. You can add more tables as well. And the full outer join keyword returns all data rows from the left table, that is table 1, and from the right table, that is table 2. The full outer join keyword combines the result of both left and right join table. Like see here, we'll see. And similarly, this is see here. Like what I can simply tell you that the result of both the left and right joins, the combination, the full outer join will do a simple keyword. What we are implementing, like a left join and right join, the combination of the both, it will comes as an output. You simply understand it. Just see here in our previous lecture, you have covered and understand about the inner join. Very clear how to write and all. If you have missed the session of how to prepare inner join, go through it thoroughly. And once if you are not understand about the inner join concept, you go with one more time and repeatedly you identify what is exactly the inner join. Once you this session is, if you are clearly understand all the joins, you will understand very easy. It's a very pretty easy. See here, just what I am doing to extension of our previous lecture, I am adding here the keyword of full outer, full outer join. That's it. It's over my full outer join. It is the combination of a left and right joins what the result set will prepares. That result set it will gives us an output. Okay, see here the rest of the things all are same. If I executed the statement, now see here the inner join, it's given me as an output of 4722 rows, whereas if I execute this, see 4736 rows, it is increased the data rows. Why it is increased means full outer join will be considered, it may or may not matching with the another table. From the table 1 to table 2, we are creating a full outer join, and which is not to be considered as a part of to be matching rows. It will prepare and give us a complete output of the combination of the rows as well as which are not matching rows also. It will be provide as an output clearly. And a rest of the things like making select statement and selecting of the columns from the different tables. As you know that this is the table 1, and in this statement this is the table 2. It's very clear. And as an alias name I have applied is for O for order items and P for products, right? From the tables, if I want to get like a joining purpose, I have used here for O dot product ID and a P dot product ID. From the two tables, I have a mention for using equal to operator and a common column from the two tables. The name of the column we have to specify. Here in my example, it is the column name is same for both tables. Okay, one for sales like a sales dot order items, one for like a products dot what is that like a production dot products table, it is a P dot product ID. The same thing how we have prepared in inner join, the same thing the query will not be changed, whereas here in this particular query will be increased the data rows. Okay, now we'll see the execution of the statement, you will get a result set here. That's it. If you want to add more columns, yes, you can make it as in a comma and which you want to take in a column, and you specify the table name and alias name and specify the column name from which table. This is the way you have to write the columns and you are fetching the result set in very simple way. And if you are not using, it's a very important one thing I want to discuss with you. If I am not using like a table name, like this is the alias name in front of the column and it may result like it may result like give you a simple keyword, like it will says that ambiguity of ambiguity problem. Okay, and the query, it's a SQL statement, will tell you that the column you have specified, I'm not understanding from which table I want to able to represent the data as an output. Is it clear? So it's a very easy to get as an output statement of outer join to writing this keyword to imply, and you will get a result of a very successful way in this particular result set. And one more time, I would like to repeat for this SQL full outer join keyword. Full outer join and full outer join keyword and full join is very much simple and similar. Instead of writing outer, you can use the full join. That's it. It can also be same with full outer join. Okay. And we are adding this and outer OUTR. Very similar. You strongly remember it's always. Okay, and see full outer join keyword, the full outer join keyword returns all data rows from the left table, and which is consisting from the keyword which we have written with the keyword of the left side, and from the table right side, table 2, this is the table 2 we have written here, the keyboard right side, and it will be returns the all the data rows. The full outer join keyword combines the result of both, like it is in a left join and a right join. You strongly remember. Okay. And why we require to use left join and right join, and will be in the upcoming sessions. We'll use in a particular way. We have to prepare for the left join only and the right join only to increase our productivity and performance of SQL Server. For more details and all, we'll see in that particular sessions. I hope you understand about the full outer join clearly. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.